how to get dark mode on Snapchat. So if you want to get dark mode on Snapchat, then first of all, let's open up the Snapchat application. And after opening, you can simply go for the upper left corner, which has your profile icon. And then you can simply go for settings, which is on the upper right. And if you scroll down here, if you have an Android mobile, then you won't have an option of dark mode. But if you have an Apple or iOS, then you will have that dark mode option on your Snapchat. So in Android, we don't have that option yet. So for now, I'm using Android, so I don't have that dark mode option. But if you are using an Apple device, then you will have that option. So you can simply tap on that dark mode and then you can turn that on. So that's it. You will have that option here under settings. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.